the arsenal of choice for stain removal. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Home cleaning nowadays requires not only free time and effort, but also specific tools and cleaning products. You cannot hope to achieve great results if you don't resort to these multitasking solutions. While it is true that nothing beats a good vacuum in your carpet cleaning efforts, there are in fact some alternatives to standard tools that you can use in your everyday tasks. You may have never thought about it, but the arsenal of items you can use is, in fact, a lot bigger. Everyday objects can double up as efficient cleaning tools and help you deal with a challenging chore. Here are a few suggestions. An old toothbrush. This one is among the most popular items to use in everyday cleaning chores. A toothbrush is an ideal item to brush off powders like corn flour and talc from an oily stain. Is there mold and mildew in your bathroom? An old toothbrush is the perfect scrubbing tool to use for the job. It is the size to fit around tight corners and grounded areas. A blunt knife. This one is needed to remove the bulky or solid part of a newly acquired stain on the carpet, upholstery or some other fabric. You cannot treat a stain efficiently without going through this first step. Since the knife is blunt, it will have less chance of actually scratching the surface of a delicate item. Ice cubes. Apart from using them for your cocktails and drinks, ice cubes make the perfect tool against a sticky stain. An item that has acquired such stain is best put in the freezer. Apparently, this is not feasible at all times, such as when the stain is on the carpet. That is when you can bring out a few ice cubes and make the spot brittle enough and easy to scrape off with a blunt knife. If you like our video so far, please press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Sticky tape. The sticky part of the tape can be successfully used to remove pollen from carpets, upholstery and clothes. Apply on the affected area and gently pat the tape. Remember to use painter's tape, because it is easier to remove and leaves no sticky residue behind. Cotton buds. If you have got some small and delicate items, a cotton bud is the right tool to use. Gently dabbing can get stains off and reach narrow spaces. Cotton buds are ideal for cleaning between the keys of your keyboard. Now that you have some ideas as to what items you can use to clean at home, the job will surely become more manageable. Expanding your home cleaning arsenal goes a long way in ensuring your home remains a sanitized and fresh place. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 4 important organizing strategies by room. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.